Believe it or not, Motorola hasn't changed much since it got acquired by Chinese giant Lenovo. It is still launching phones of all categories and is still selling them at reasonable prices. For instance, the Moto Z was a killer high-end when it launched, while the Moto G4, the Moto G4 Play, and the Moto G4 Plus are all good examples of how a budget smartphone should be made. The Moto M is positioned somewhere between these two tiers. As an Android mid-range model, it checks all the right boxes. It has good specs, great design, and an affordable price. On paper, this sounds like winning combination, but in real life, is the Moto M worth considering at all? Armed with a decent amount of curiosity, we took it upon ourselves to find out. Display. Sufficiently sharp yet not as accurate as we'd like it to be. The Moto M brings along a 5.5-inch IPS LCD display with the acceptable resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. Though we've seen sharper, the display will be more than adequate for 9 out of 10 users. However, there's much more to phone displays than resolution alone. Chief among those other properties is color temperature, and the Moto M is not as accurate as we'd like it to be. For starters, the display's cold-it clocks in at 8452K, which is way higher than the standard 6500K color temperature. This makes white colors way bluer than they should be. A common flaw for many affordable devices, but a flaw indeed. There are two display settings, standard and vibrant. Even in the standard one, the Moto M's display has the tendency to oversaturate green, yellow, and red colors, though not excessively so. Switch to vibrant, however, and all colors become overly vivid and totally inaccurate. Needless to say, we are not fans of that, so we kept the display in its standard mode. The display's gamma is mostly correct, which means that contrast representation is accurate. Maximum and minimum brightness levels are both acceptable. You will have no problems with outdoor visibility or using the phone before bedtime.